Hi, we're Lower9.org, a nonprofit located in the Lower Ninth Ward of New Orleans, Louisiana. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina and the levee breaches caused by the storm devastated this neighborhood, leaving 100% of the properties uninhabitable. That was all the homes, all the stores, all the shops, everything was flooded. This meant that 40,000 people were left homeless. Lower9.org was started in 2007 to help these residents return to their homes. While many residents of the neighborhood were below the national average median income, over half of the residents owned their homes outright. Lower9.org began using volunteer labor to rebuild homes for these families. Families purchase the materials while volunteers do all the labor. This brings the cost to rebuild down to 30% of what they would pay a conventional builder, a cost much more in the reach of neighborhood residents. To date, Lower9.org has completely rebuilt 62 homes, while completing over 120 smaller projects. We've worked with volunteers from 16 different countries and 48 states, ranging in age from 13 years old to 80 years old. At this time, only about 30% of the residents have returned home to the Lower Ninth Ward. It is Lower9.org's mission to keep rebuilding until every resident who wishes to do so has returned home. We need your help. Please consider donating, volunteering, or spreading the word today. From Lower9.org and all the people that call this neighborhood home, thank you.
Not 2 days could go by without someone stopping and looking at work I'm doing and saying, "Oh, you're a volunteer? Well, we really appreciate you coming down here." I think when you come 5,000 miles, it's really nice and someone appreciates that you've done that for them. And that's the best part, I'd say.